Hey guys, welcome to another Form Titan 101 video on how to make your PDF interactive and submit it to files object in Salesforce. Now, what does interactive actually mean? Let me show you very quickly the result. If you click submit, I haven't put anything in there. What I can do is I can bring this PDF up with my custom HTML template or your one if you have set up. I can just type it in. I can type in the email, give them a random mobile, can even sign it interactively, and it really gives you tons of flexibility right there and then to input your data into your PDF and submit it into Salesforce. Once I've finished this will go into Salesforce files by creating a new record. Very cool functionality, and I'm going to show you how to get this set up right now in this demo. Let's get started. Okay, we're in here. I'm going to go into my PDF mapping, but let's just get rid of this. I don't want to start all. I want to start all over again, so I can show you guys how it's done. Let's go in there. I don't need any of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Okay, apply, save. All right, let's get started. To get started, you will need to go under Form, Settings, Document Generation, PDF Mapping, and you will need to click Edit. Right now, Dynamic Mode is turned off. You want to switch it on, and the PDF is not enabled, so let's enable this. Once you've done that, you can add your HTML here if you wish, or you can add it into a source code. I've got a pre-prepared source code already, so I'm just going to paste that in here, and I'm going to click OK. There's my template. What we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and add our fields into this table. To do that, we would right click and click Insert Field. I'm going to select first name, click Apply. Same story here, we're going to select our last name, click Apply, Email, click Apply, Mobile, whoops, not like that. Mobile, and click Apply. Next, I'm going to add my signature, and I'm just going to add them just below this table here. So again, same story, right click, insert field, and we're going to select our signature. Give it 300 by 300 width, and there you go. You've done it. Click Apply, all sorted. Now, what you need to do, excuse the police siren in the back, what it's going to do is now it's going to set up the PDF for you. What you can do now is click the tools, settings, and click preview before submit. What this will do is allow you to preview your PDF before you submit it. And the next option we want to tick is the interactive mode. That's how you enable it. Once you've done that, click configure. And right now I've got all the fields in here, but I'm going to get rid of them actually. Let's start from scratch. Let's even untick this. What we're going to do are fields that are in the form are going to start appearing in here. So I'm going to add my first name. I'm going to add my last name. I'm going to add my email. I'm going to add my mobile. I'm going to add my signature. And I can make them mandatory. I'm going to make all of them mandatory in the PDF. Very cool. Inherit style. It can just inherit style that you've set up in your HTML source code. And then finally, what I want to do is tick inline editing. This will allow them to edit the PDF using inline editing functionality. Once you've done that, click apply again, click apply, and you should be good to go. But before we actually go ahead and submit, we need to map it to our files object in Salesforce. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a push. We're going to push this data into the contact object. Our action is create. Let's go ahead and create our mapping. And our mapping is going to be first name, last name, email will be email, and mobile will be mobile. That's all we have to do here. Click apply. The next thing we have to set up is the files object in contact that's going to receive our attachment of PDF once it's been submitted. To do that, I'm going to click Add Child because it's going to be child of our contact. And we are going to select Content Version, which is what the files folder is called in Salesforce. Click Map Fields. There are 3 fields we have to map. The first one is Title. I'm going to say Custom. Let's call it Registration Form. Okay, once we've done that, and the next one is going to be, let's have a look, version data. And this is, version data is, what do you want me to add into as a PDF? And we're going to say it's going to be a PDF mapping that we've just done. Once we've done that, let's select mapped fields. So 3 fields that are mapped here. First one is a custom title that we've just given, which is registration form. Then our version data is going to be our PDF mapping. And our published location is going to be contact ID. By the way, this is automatically configured for you by Form Titan as soon as you add a child under contact. Very, very cool functionality all set up for you. We've done this. Let's go ahead and finish. All right, time for us to go ahead and test. All right, first before I do that, let me see if I have got Joe blogs. No, I don't. Okay, let's go and create one. We're going to call this Joe. We're going to call this blogs. Give him an email, joe@formtitan.com. I'm going to give him a random number. Let's go ahead and sign this. Now, if I click submit, as you can see, it's pulled our data through. But what if I wanted to make some changes? Like, I don't know, I wanted to call this Joe Blogs 1. I wanted to go Joe1@formtitan. I put in a wrong email, so mobile, I'll just change that. And if I put it incorrect signatures, I'll just quickly reset and I'll add a new signature in there. So that's the advantage of having an interactive PDF functionality. Really kind of gives you this whole of leverage for your users to really amend the data if they've put incorrect values in there, rather than having to completely delete it from your side and redo it. It really gets rid of a lot of fuss. Okay, once we've done that, click finish. Okay, our form has now been submitted. Let's have a look how it looks like in Salesforce. So we're going to go view our integration log to see what's happened in that. And let's have a look. Here you go. Our contact's been created. Let's go in there. Joe Blogs 1. And let's have a look at the file. Okay, it's getting the preview ready. It's a bit slow from Salesforce side. So what we'll do is we'll download it just to demonstrate. And there you have it. Everything into the system just like that. Your interactive PDF plus signature, and that's how you do it. That's how you set up a interactive functionality within your Form Titan to add data to Salesforce. And really, this is a very, very awesome little tool. Thank you for watching this video.